Outstanding Student is not someone who is perfect,
but rather someone who is persistent and adventurous.
It is also someone who learns from failures,
dares to step beyond their comfort zone,
seizes every opportunity to unlock their potentials,
stays humble and is on learning,
finds the courage to take on challenges,
uplifts the people around them,
and commits to serving society
with kindness and compassion.
Every challenge presents an opportunity for growth, and each experience offers a valuable lesson. My time at PolyU has shaped me and better prepared me for a future career in supply chain. These awards motivate me to keep improving and to contribute meaningfully to society. I also hope to serve as a positive example for my fellow students, demonstrating that consistent progress rather than perfections is what truly shapes who we become.
At PolyU, I had abundant opportunities to do research and challenge myself through joining competitions and projects. I had a chance to work on research and engineering in the DS-AI lab, developing expertise in theoretical machine learning research. With my URIS teammates, we won the HKAES University Pitch competition with our AI-driven solution to reduce airport ground emissions. These opportunities have brought me much closer to my aspirations and strengthened my passion for creating impactful, technology-driven solutions.
Graduating doesn't mark an end, it marks a beginning. I dream of becoming a chartered engineer and using my skills to improve people's lives. Beyond creating safer and more sustainable environment, I hope to support young engineers in Hong Kong and in my home country, Myanmar, helping them find confidence and aim higher. Together, I believe we can contribute to building a better future for humankind and make engineering a force for positive change.
I used to constantly doubt myself, but PolyU completely changed how I see my abilities. Through international internships and exchange programs, along with the recognition and the support I received from the university, I gradually realized my strengths and potential. Now, regardless of what others may think, I feel confident pursuing my goals and embracing future changes. PolyU didn't just educate me, it liberated me, helping me grow into someone I was never imagined becoming.
My personal experience as a SLE patient has given me a profound understanding of the power of support and companionship, inspiring me to become a social worker focusing on youth mental health. I believe that young people are the pillars of our society, and they deserve attentive support. In the future, I want to collaborate with other professionals to design a mental health online platform where young people can freely express their emotional struggles.
Seeing more students with special educational needs has motivated me to pursue further studies to better support those in need. Drawing on my backgrounds in linguistics, I hope to develop innovative AI-based tools for neurodivergent learners. Ultimately, I want to become a scholar working at the intersection of applied linguistics and computational science, translating my passion into tangible, evidence-based policies that make learning accessible and inclusive for everyone.
At PolyU, I realized that design is not just about aesthetics. It can also create practical, meaningful impact. This understanding helped me see how I can contribute to society through my work. I believe Hong Kong's creative industry and unique identity should be appreciated not only within the design circle, but also by the wider public. Eventually, I hope to bring Hong Kong's design projects onto the global stage and share our distinctive voice with the world.
The university's emphasis on practical application, sustainability, and community engagement shaped my belief that fashion can be both commercially successful and socially conscious. I aspire to build a sustainable fashion practice that bridges creative innovation with social responsibility. In the future, I plan to deepen my knowledge in the development of novel fabrics and materials. And in the long run, I aim to establish a human-centered studio integrating research-led design, sustainable production, and meaningful educational partnerships.
PolyU has offered me countless opportunities to flourish as a leader through various leadership roles, team competitions, and volunteering activities. These experiences have taught me that true leaders not only excel themselves, but also actively engage with the community by addressing the social issues that people face. Whatever role I take on in the future, I hope to build a more caring and inclusive society where everyone feels supported and valued.
I'm honored to be named the Most Outstanding PolyU Student of the Year. I think an outstanding student should be a trailblazer who pursues ambitious goals, collaborates across disciplines, and confronts the impossible. I often ask myself a simple yet powerful question: how bad do I want it? This mindset pushes me to break boundaries and to aim even higher. With my computational skills and passion for cancer genetics, I aspire to establish a genetic counseling service that translates complex genomic data into clear, accessible information for patients, creating lasting and meaningful impacts on people's lives.